guys, again, I'm gonna be making slime. I'm gonna be using this type of slime. It's like my other videos. I got this from Jovi's. It's the same slime I used for this type of slime, for this experiment. For this. It's trying to get slimy. And this, I don't know about this. This is getting slimy now. Here we go. And it's almost done. So, yeah. That my brother came from band camp. Okay, so get this from Jovi's. That's where I got it. It's just to tell you I got it from Jovi's. And if it works, I would tell y'all to get it from Jovi's. I would recommend it. Cause look, it's so sticky. See how it wobbles? Wobble, baby, wobble, baby. Yeah, wobble. But like that. You should stir it for about like I'd say I didn't use a lot because like it's a little container. I'm gonna only add one more drop, or at least 2 or 4. Oops. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very wobbly, that's why it shows it. So like I would know that it would turn to slime or not. It wobbles. It's like whenever I hit it like that, the whole thing just shakes. Like an earthquake. We're having one right now. I'm just kidding. I have an acting. And I'm gonna be on the movie Suicide Squad. So hope you watch it. It comes out on theaters and on Friday. So hope you like it. And if you can't, one lucky prize winner, my first 10 subscribers will be invited to see Suicide Squad tonight at 8 to, I forgot how long it is, but like it starts at 8. Throw coin in a smile. I got that on my head. Star Darlings on Disney Channel. Right now on the TV, I'm watching The Vet Life on Animal Planet. It's actually like on demand. I'm watching it right now while I'm doing this video. I really like whenever they help pets. Oh, and if you, the winner of the prize winner will donate about, my first 10 subscribers will get 5 tickets to see a movie, to see Suicide Squad. Because I'm in the movie and I could do that. Backstage passage, like, of the set, the scenes. My big house, my big fat doggy, I don't know if you could see it. That good. But like her. She's so fat. She's gonna be a woman. Get up and run. Run. I'm sorry. Girl power. Right, Tina? Yeah. She's a girl dog, so be polite. And I'm a boy, so I can kiss her. Not on the lips. Hey, honey, we're getting married. I have a ring for her. she starts growling and her bites hurt. But like, she never bit me. She ruined my stuffed animal. So she ruined some of it, and then boom, it's like we found a piece of cotton. Of the thing that's in it. I forgot. Stuffing, yeah. We found only one piece, like that tiny, of stuffing. And I just noticed that I went in my room, because we went to a party, and then it was all shredded up. Okay, so you could stir it for as long as you want. Oh, and if you want to make glue, I know how to make it. It works. All you need is flour, sugar, water, cold water, and hot water. A cup, I would recommend a glass cup because like you need it. A container to put it in if you want, or you could just keep it in the cup. A refrigerator. And what was that other thing? Salt, yeah. Salt. And like, and also like, I would say a bowl or something to put hot water in. Whatever the glass cup could fit in, okay? Oh, Piggy! Whenever I'm famous, I want to get a pig. I'm gonna have pigs for dogs, and then Cena's gonna be my dog. It's kind of blurry, but sorry. Cause Roxy, I'm sorry. You spin around and around.
No mic.
Yes, Sean. Yes. Okay, now I'm still stirring it. Stir it. Cause we all stir. Johnny, what did you
Out
do?
on the floor.
Tonto.
It was in the damn floor.
I would recommend putting these, like,
It's in the damn floor anymore.
2, 3, 4. 4 drops of eye drops. I have this type. Yeah. And it might be kind of blurry, but you don't have to add eye drops. I just wanted to make it like stickier. If you want it to be more stickier, I would recommend putting eye drops on it. And then add a little bit more of this. I feel like it's not gonna work. This happens a lot to me. My parents get super mad. Yeah, I still have a lot more. Because this is my brother's, and also my mom's and dad's, and it's only theirs, and I stole it from them. So, I'm trying to not use a lot, but I would finish it, but my mom's gonna get mad at me. So you'll also be needing eye drops. If you want, it's optional. And you could add any type of eye drops. You need eye drops if you want. If you want it to be sticky, like not to your hands, I'm gonna feel it. Yeah, it's starting to be better. If you can make an experiment and try this blue and this. I tried it. I didn't post it on YouTube because like I don't know what at the end would be, but I made slime. So you should try it. Oh, kids, don't use hot glue, like super glue, liquid super glue, because like it is bad, because like it sticks to your hands and that's that bad. If you're new, subscribe or like my video. Once you put eye drops in here, add two or 5. 0 to 5. You don't have to add some, but I add some, like in case. Or you could add like not more than 10 though. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, so I'm done with it. Put it in the freezer for about an hour, so mine's gonna be done at around 10:35. 11:35. So I'm gonna leave the eye drops out in case I get bored. That's why I'm posting these like videos and like hope you subscribe. And my dog has to say something to you. Hope you subscribe. My brother, my husband is really nice. So hope you subscribe and like the video. That means so much from you. Love you, Sina. Mwah. Mwah. Bye, bye. Now get away. That hurt. Bye. Hope you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye.